So, welcome everyone. Very, very good evening to all of you who are present here. आप सभी का स्वागत है शी एंड द सॉइल वुमेन्स डे प्री सीरीज में. सबको क्यूरोसिटी होगी कि ये सीरीज है क्या एक्चुअली. सो दिस सीरीज आर इनिशिएटेड बाय a company, Thaina Healthy Naturally Private Limited, that is exploring and discussing on connection between humans, nature, sustainability, soil, and conscious living. So, we are hosting a beautiful event as well as a celebration, She and the Soil, on International Women's Day on 8th March in our farm, Sona, Gurgaon. So, these series are complementary to that beautiful event on International Women's Day. So, now I would like to welcome our today's speaker, Leena ji, Madan, and Sapna Sangal ji. So, I would like to introduce both of them who are with us. So, Leena Gandhi is a lactational counselor, BPNI, birth doula, child birth educator, Garbh Sanskar coach. She is also co-founder of Garbh Arambha, and simultaneously, I would like to introduce Miss Sapna Sangal, who is by degree architect MTech from IITR. She's also birth doula, LCC, Lamaze certified childbirth educator, a Garbh Sanskar coach. And she's also founder with Leena ji in Garbh Arambha. So I welcome you both of you to this session and all the all the participants to this session. मैम आई वुड लाइक टू नो ये जो टर्म्स है लीना जी एंड सपना जी, आप प्लीज अपने आप को थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करिए बिकॉज वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस.
Okay, I'm Leena. So what Sapna and me will do is हम alternately एक एक term को समझाते जाएंगे. Now let me start with the childbirth educator. Now childbirth educator involves sharing with the would-be mother about what happens during childbirth, what the changes that happen in her body's requirements, and what she can do to have an easy, normal delivery or a C-sec, whichever way it is destined. So that is what childbirth education is all about. It involves everything from diet and lifestyle and exercises to be done, how breathing is to be handled, what happens during labor, the different stages of labor. So उसमें काफी एक detailed process रहता है. So next सपना आप ले लो.
Next was doula, right?
Yes.
So, so doula is like a birthing companion, जिसको थोड़ा सा नॉलेज है. सो मतलब जब एक महिला लेबर में जाती है तो उस दौरान हाउ टू सपोर्ट हर इमोशनली, दैट इज द रोल ऑफ दूल्हा. तो उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं. हाउ यू स्पीक टू द मदर, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. हाउ यू एनकरेज द मदर. देन उसको अगर कुछ खाने पीने के लिए चाहिए तो वो सजेस्ट करना. व्हाट आर हर प्रेफरेंसेस, तो उसको अगर कुछ सुगंध चाहिए या उसको कुछ म्यूजिक चाहिए ड्यूरिंग लेबर या कोई चांटिंग चाहिए, सो दैट इज व्हाट वी हेल्प हर विद. देन ऑल्सो विद मसाजेस या फिर जो भी ड्यूरिंग, दैट्स कॉल्ड बायोमैकेनिक्स ऑफ लेबर. वी अंडरस्टैंड कि लेबर के दौरान क्या क्या करना चाहिए टू हेल्प हर कोप विद द पेन बेसिकली. तो वो ऑल दैट कम्स अंडर दूल्हा वर्क. एंड सिंपल भाषा में बेसिकली अ कंपेनियन टू अ लेबरिंग मदर. सो दैट इज दूल्हा.
वाओ, दैट इज वेरी अमेजिंग, अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट. क्योंकि अभी तो हमने हॉस्पिटल बर्थ एंड एक अलग ही सिस्टम देखा है बर्थ का. We would also like to know about Garbha Sanskar. This is a word I have listened first time. So, what do you mean by Garbha Sanskar?
Because sanskar means values. And by values, we mean कि when the baby is still in the womb, what can we do? Because bringing up a child doesn't happen once the child is 2 years old. एक्चुअली हमें स्टार्ट बहुत पहले करना होता है। हम एक प्रोसेस है पूरा, किस प्रकार के संस्कार हमने उसको देने हैं, हम किस, बहुत सारी चीजें इसमें इन्वॉल्व रहती हैं। So that is Garbh Sanskar. Matlab, there is so much about it, and you yourself have attended some sessions. So Garbh Sanskar में there are various modalities. उसमें म्यूजिक भी आ जाता है, उसमें संवाद भी आ जाता है, उसमें वैल्यूज आ जाती हैं, उसमें कनेक्टिंग विद द चाइल्ड आ जाता है। उस it's a universe in itself. So Sapna, you want to add something?
या मतलब हम जो भी करें कॉन्शियसली करें. So though it is happening with every mother who goes through pregnancy, कि she is talking to the baby, is that the whole idea is कि can we do it consciously? So conscious parenting बोल दो,
Yeah, yeah.
womb parenting बोल दो. Like when the baby is in the womb, तब उसके पूरे antenna खुले हैं. It's absolutely listening to whatever you are doing. So that's the best time, and that is why it's called Garbha Sanskar.
आई थिंक गर्भ संस्कार को कॉन्शियस पेरेंटिंग भी कह सकते हैं, कॉन्शियस
Yeah,
पेरेंटिंग इन द वूम, है ना?
yes.
So,
And फिर है lactation
lactation
consultant.
is all about breastfeeding,
Yeah.
nurturing your child, and it's all about breastfeeding. Why not? जो आज का टॉपिक भी है actually.
हाँ जी.
And then Sapna can explain about Lamaze, because Lamaze is a word that is term that is being used, yet वो क्या है वो आई थिंक सपना जी से रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ, बताएंगी?
Lamaze started with Dr. Lamaze, जो फ्रांस में थे. And during 1970s, बहुत ज्यादा मेडिकलाइज सिस्टम था यूरोप में and in US. So people, even doctors had started questioning कि इतना medicalized क्यों है. And therefore, one of them is like Dr. Lamaze, who had gone actually to a conference in Russia, and he learned वहां पे जो रिसर्च चल रहा था. अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसका नाम लमाज है, बट अगर हिस्ट्री में जाओगे तो इट गोज बैक एंड इट्स रूट्स आर इन योगा. तो योग में जो सिखाते थे वो रशियंस ने, दे वर एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग एंड डॉक्यूमेंटिंग ऑल दैट, एंड विमेन वर फीलिंग कि यार बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. सो वो सब डॉक्यूमेंट को देख के ही गॉट रियली इंस्पायर्ड, एंड देन ही टॉक्ड अबाउट इट. ही टॉट mothers who came to him, and उनकी births became very very eased, मतलब comfortable, one can say, and with ease. तो उसमें से सम मदर्स, वो बहुत जैसे होता है ना, महिलाएं, कुछ महिलाएं बहुत वाइब्रेंट होती हैं. दे स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, दे स्टार्टेड पब्लिसाइजिंग इट, एंड देन वन ऑफ देम रोट अ बुक कॉल्ड थैंक यू डॉक्टर लमाज. And that's how slowly it became a group, and then it became huge community. And today that community has lots of gynaes, lots of midwives, lots of people like us, birth workers, educators, doulas. बहुत बड़ा group है. And they talk about, so midwives from different countries have also put in their ideas कि how to ease, कैसे इसको और easy बना सकते हैं, comfortable for the mother during labor. तो वो सारा documentation is part of Lamaze now. नहीं तो earlier it was only breathings, and that is what people think Lamaze means, breathings. But now there is lots that has come into it. So
Yeah,
I
it
think,
has evolved with the times, actually, evolved a lot with the times. So
and
that
that
is about Lamaze.
जो
So
इंडिजिनस कम्युनिटीज के भी जो प्रैक्टिसेस हैं, दैट हैव आल्सो बिकम पार्ट ऑफ लमाज नाउ. तो मेक्सिको में कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं, दे यूज अ शॉल जिससे वो बहुत कुछ करते हैं. सो नाउ दैट इज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ लमाज. ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें ऑल ओवर द
yeah,
वर्ल्ड.
it has evolved. It has
And so
evolved.
much to learn during the session, I think. And I think participants can ask questions related to these things as well, as per their curiosity from our speakers, because they are available with us today. They have given us time today.
And
And
on the 6th also.
yeah, on 6th as well. So that is also very, very interesting topic on menstrual well-being of women. So now I would like to request Leena ji to share a little journey about herself. How did it started? कैसे उन्होंने इस चीज में आगे बढ़ने का सोचा, पहले क्या करते थे, जो भी उनकी जर्नी रही है, थोड़ा सा एक स्टोरी बताएं कि क्या रहा अभी तक।
एक्चुअली बहुत ही मजेदार स्टोरी रही है, एक्चुअली बहुत ही बढ़िया जर्नी रही है। बेसिकली आई एम masters in commerce from Delhi University. I have worked with multinationals, with bank also. करा है मैंने international bank and all. But after I got married, so just got interested and I had a child actually, and I had a child. The interest in children spiked. What makes them learn? What is it? So वो करते करते my children have taken me on a beautiful journey. Just a minute. My children have taken me on a beautiful journey and अब उनके साथ साथ जब वो स्कूल में थे तो मैं भी स्कूल में पेरेंट बनी। तो वो करते करते फिर कोविड आ गया। कोविड आते आते then there was a pregnancy platform and they invited me, and Sapna was already a part of it, so they invited me to be a part of it, and after a lot of reluctance I said चलो देख लेते हैं। कभी कभी लाइफ में अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती हैं and we reject them, so this time I thought okay, let me accept, so accepted and sort of got drawn to it. And then when I left that online platform, then Sapna and me got together and we are here as Garbaram. So we've been together, I think, since 2022. I think 4.5 years to ho gaye hain since we've been together, and we are working solely for the mothers, the women, because women are the foundation of a sound society. And how a woman is treated in her journey. One is during pregnancy, during labor, and during postpartum. ये 3 पड़ाव हैं जीवन के जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हर लेडी के लिए, हर वुमन के लिए. So that is how I think both Sapna and me are drawn to it, and we feel that whatever we can do, because women are procreators, what they bring to the earth is what will create this earth. Womb ecology is world's ecology. जो हमारे वूम में होगा वही बेबी प्रोड्यूस होके ही बिकम्स अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्स. सो हमको एक अच्छा बच्चा लाना है जो हर प्रकार से सर्वगुण संपन्न हो और हमारे से कनेक्टेड हो, धरती से कनेक्टेड हो, हर प्रकार से. सो दैट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ गर्भारंभ. सो कंसेप्शन से लेके पोस्टमार्टम तक वी आर हियर, and we have different types of sessions, diet, lifestyle, bonding. Then we have Lamaze, we have postpartum, newborn care. Then we have breastfeeding. जो आज का है, this is just the basics of breastfeeding. So this is the journey, and we also do a lot of counseling for mothers who want to come, share, talk, and be with us. So our moms usually are there, for the second delivery भी आ ही जाते हैं. So we look forward to having you, Bhavya. So should we? Okay.
Thank you.
Any other question?
So can we also discuss a little bit or know about Sapna ji's journey?
मोस्टली लीना जी ने जो बोला है, दैट इज व्हाट रिवर्बरेटेड, हम दोनों का रेजोनेंस हुआ. एंड माय स्टार्टिंग हैपेंड व्हेन आई डिलीवर्ड.
आर्किटेक्ट कैसे वो?
या तो आर्किटेक्ट में भी मैं सस्टेनेबिलिटी पे काम करती थी, एंड दैट वाज माय पैशन. सो वर्किंग विद मड, वर्किंग विद बैम्बू, वर्किंग विद स्टोन्स, दैट वाज माय कोर एरिया. एंड सो लाइफ सस्टेनेबिलिटी को ही लेकर हर समय एक्सप्लोर करते थे इन लाइफस्टाइल एज वेल. सो सोलर कुकिंग हो गया, सोलर कुकर मिट्टी से बनाना, वो सब भी एक्सप्लोर करना. ऑल दैट हैज बीन पार्ट ऑफ माय जर्नी. एंड उसी के दौरान आई मेट वन फ्रेंड, ऑफ कोर्स वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड, हु वाज प्रेग्नेंट. एंड दे शेयर्ड एज अ कपल कि हम लोग नमाज कर रहे हैं एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. एंड आई वाज वेरी, मतलब दिमाग में रहता है ना, दो यू आर 23, 25, you still think you're a bacha until you get married. So this is not for me. This topic is not for me, but something stayed with me in their sharings. And inspired from that couple, two more friends of mine delivered. And they all delivered through Lama's classes and then with a midwife and everything. So जब मैं after 10 years, I think easily after 10 years, when I got married and had, you know, pregnancy हुआ मेरा, so then I thought कि ये लोग का, you know, 5 rating है, 5 star rating दे रखा है इन लोगों ने, so I should go and visit that place. And that is how my journey started in Lama's classes, childbirth classes. And then I had a water birth and I had an amazing experience in my labor. And उसके बाद मुझे लगा यार कि इसके बारे में कोई बात क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, you have a high after a good labor. So I had a high after a very good labor. जैसे होता है. एंड तो मेरे जहन में कहीं रह गया कि दिस इज समथिंग आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट. एंड आफ्टर जब दोनों बच्चे हो गए, थोड़ा सा स्पेस निकला, एंड अ फ्रेंड शेयर्ड, लाइक संचित इज अनदर गुड फ्रेंड हु वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट कि लेट्स डू अ प्लेटफॉर्म. तो दैट इज हाउ आई गॉट इन्वॉल्व एंड दैट्स हाउ लीना जी गॉट इन्वॉल्व. एंड देन बहुत सारे एक्सप्लोरेशंस हुए, बहुत सारा स्टडीज किया, बहुत सारे कोर्सेज किए. वी स्टिल कीप लर्निंग. या तो बस कहने का यही है कि वो हम लोग का जैसे एज अ टीम वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग, तो रेजोनेंस बढ़ता गया एंड हम लोग का फिर उसमें से ही ये गर्भारंभ करके हमारा बर्थ हुआ, इवॉल्व हुआ, एक क्रिएट हुआ. एंड वी बीन एंजॉइंग आवर जर्नी. आई वुड से वर्किंग विद मदर्स इज वेरी सेटिस्फाइंग. सो और उनके साथ काम करने का एक अलग ही मजा है. सो या.
Because each pregnancy is different, each mother is different, each labor is different, and each baby is different. Same mother and two babies, they are different, completely different. How they birth is different, how they respond is different. अपने अपने घर में भी हम ये चीज देख सकते हैं कि एक ही पेरेंट के 3 बच्चे होंगे और सब अलग होंगे. सिमिलैरिटी है ही नहीं, इतनी यूनिकनेस है हमारे वूम में और इस नेचर में. कुदरत की देन है ये कि हम हर प्रकार के बच्चे को एक्सपीरियंस करें. द मोर द मेरियर. सो दैट्स इट आई थिंक अबाउट गर्भारम.
Beautiful story. I think
या
beautiful story of conscious living, sustainability, beautiful name, Garbha Aram. थाइना भी कुछ ऐसा ही कर रही है, सॉइल को नरिश कर रही है सो दैट इट कैन प्रोड्यूस अ गुड फूड जो कि हमारी बॉडी को प्रॉपरली नरिश कर पाए. एंड दिस वर्क ऑफ गर्भा आरंभ इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी motivating, inspiring as well, क्योंकि this is the time where we need to learn how to stop, pause, and understand about conscious living instead of running so fast. क्योंकि बहुत डैमेज ऑलरेडी हो चुका है to the human living, and now it's time to wake up. So now uh, I would like to request Leena ji to tell about breast milk. What is the importance that breast milk holds?
Yeah, Sapna, can you switch on play the presentation? Basically, breast milk क्या है? ब्रेस्ट मिल्क एक ऐसा पदार्थ है जो हमारी बॉडी, एक वुमन की बॉडी इमीडिएटली आफ्टर बर्थ प्रोड्यूस करने लगती है मिल्क. तो एक्चुअली इन रियलिटी द मिल्क स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग प्रोड्यूस्ड इवन बिफोर द डिलीवरी हैपन्स. हमें कैसे पता है कि ऐसा हो रहा है? क्या है कि हमारे बॉडी के ग्लैंड्स एंड टिश्यूज दे स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग, द ब्रेस्ट स्टार्ट बिकमिंग लार्जर. You get a tingling sensation in your breast. You'll find that the areola of the breast becomes darker. So when the baby is born, just like for example, हमारी उंगली में कट लगता है तो इमीडिएटली क्लॉटिंग भी हो जाती है, उसकी हीलिंग भी हो जाती है. द बॉडी नोज व्हाट इट्स डूइंग. सो द बॉडी नोज दैट अ लिविंग thriving human being is going to birth itself, and so the body produces food for the baby. फूड क्या है? ब्रेस्ट मिल्क है. सो ये एक ऐसा पदार्थ है जो कि जैसे ही बच्चे को छाती से लगाया जाता है, द बेबी suckles at the breast and he stimulates the nerve endings in the breast, and the nerves carry the messages to the pituitary gland, and what happens? Breast milk is produced. It starts flowing. So the baby demands it, the baby body produces it and lets it flow, and the baby is nurtured like that. So that is breast milk. तो यही है एक छोटा सा हर माँ के लिए. आप अगर कुदरत में भी देखेंगे आसपास, you can see animals, you can see in the zoo, you can see monkeys, dogs, cows. Everyone is equipped with this special function that the nature has granted them. That you have a baby, you have all facilities to take care of the baby. कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं, कहीं भी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपका शरीर आपका भी ख्याल कर रहा है, आपके बच्चे का भी ख्याल कर रहा है. Sapna, you can move on to the next slide. I'll continue. You have anything, Tripti, you would like to ask?
No, no, no. I think we should discuss more on this.
या ये तो एक बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है. इसके तो इम्पैक्ट बहुत है. ब्रेस्ट मिल्क सोना है. हम लोग कहते हैं कि ब्रेस्ट मिल्क क्यों जरूरी है. तो वाई इज ब्रेस्ट मिल्क इम्पोर्टेंट? क्यों? हमारे पास फॉर्मूला मिल्क भी तो है ना. सब कुछ तो अवेलेबल है. गाय का दूध है, बकरी का दूध है, फॉर्मूला मिल्क अवेलेबल है. आज हम थोड़ा सा फॉर्मूला मिल्क के साथ ही कनेक्ट करेंगे. तो पर फिलहाल व्हाई आर वी टॉकिंग ऑफ ओनली ब्रेस्ट मिल्क? तो ब्रेस्ट मिल्क एक ऐसी लिविंग मिल्क है. लिविंग मिल्क माने इट हैज एवरीथिंग. इट हैज न्यूट्रिशन. सपना, यू कैन मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. It has nutrition. It has no, not this one, Sapna. So breast milk contains all nutrients that the baby needs for the first 6 months. ठीक है. सबसे पहले हम वही देख लेते हैं. सपना, go back to that slide, live cells वाली. So breast milk has live cells. Live cells माने white blood, white cells हैं उसमें, which become a part of the baby's body. Now, if you look at formula milk, उसमें कोई live cell नहीं है. It is dead. It has nothing. So it contains live cells which cannot be replicated by any man-made machine or AI machine in the world. जो आपका शरीर प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है बच्चे के लिए, दुनिया की कोई भी मशीन प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकती है. Any doctor who says that no, this is like breast milk, they will not say this is breast milk. They'll always say it is similar to breast milk. But no one can replicate this miracle of nature that is produced by the body for a human baby. Human body, human baby. Cow's milk, cow baby. Are you getting? Cat's milk, cat baby. Goat milk, goat baby. So सबके पास पूरी ये arrangement है where the body is producing sufficient milk for the baby. So is there anything in the previous slide, Sapna, or the next slide? So just simple example बताती हूँ. This is breast milk. Breast milk में दो तरीके का मिश्रण आता है. शुरू में the milk that comes is called the fore milk. It is patla. It has a lot of water content, and the hind milk is thicker milk. It has a lot of fat. So what happens is when the baby starts drinking fore milk, and then it suckles well. So what happens is it sucks out the hind milk, and that fat from the mother's body goes to the baby's body. Okay, it goes to the baby's body. So what happens is baby gets all the nutrition. And if you look at formula milk, sardi, garmi, din, raat, it is just that glass of milk. There is no change. You can see the slide and just absorb it because this is very important. So next slide. Okay, next slide. So let us look at the composition of breast milk. Now, composition of breast milk, sapna piche jao. Composition of breast milk is it contains all nutrients. It has water. कहते हैं ना न्यूबॉर्न बेबी को पानी नहीं देना होता है, बिकॉज ब्रेस्ट मिल्क ऑलरेडी हैज इट. इट हैज 88% water. It has the most suitable protein and fat which can be easily absorbed and digested by the baby. Because baby ka digestive system is immature. So what the composition of the breast milk provides is most suitable. It does not cause any kind of infection or overload in the body. And it has all the vitamins, it has everything. And to the extent that a breastfed baby will never be anemic. Usko anemia kabhi bhi nahi hoga. It has the right amount of salt, calcium, magnesium, and it has special enzymes also, which helps to digest fat. अब इससे ज्यादा और हम what is it that we can give to a child? Isn't it? This is the best liquid that we can put in our baby's body, because we always think that हमें बच्चे के लिए अच्छा करना है, अच्छा स्कूल करना है, अच्छे कपड़े, अच्छा everything should be very good. But what about what we are giving the child? So breastfed babies are full of energy. I mean, after a year when the baby starts walking, you cannot catch a breastfed child. वो इतना active होता है, इतना energetic होता है, इतना full of life होता है. You have to try it. So next slide, Sapna. So what happens? Why are we saying that immunity is 100%? It is 100% because it has not been touched by a man, any human being. Not been touched by hand. It has not been produced in a factory. It has not been packed. It flows freely from the body straight into your child's body. It is clean and free from bacteria. There is no contamination, and it has anti-infective properties. And do you know that breast milk, when the baby, if suppose the mother is catching a cold or mother has fever, so what happens? When the mother puts the baby to the breast, the body knows that, oh, the mother is getting fever. So the body immediately starts producing antibodies for the baby, mother's fever, and transfer it to the baby. So the baby is protected. इससे अच्छा सुरक्षा कवच तो कहीं नहीं मिल सकता है. And उससे भी बढ़िया, if someone in your house comes and visits you and the person sneezes or has a cold, your body will know that, oh, there is someone here that can make my baby sick. So the body automatically starts producing milk, which has antibodies. Isn't this magic? This is magic for the babies. So that is the reason that why we are having this session today, so that we understand. Why do we say बच्चे को माँ का दूध पिलाओ, बच्चे को माँ का दूध पिलाओ? हम क्यों कहते हैं? Next slide, Sapna. And do you know that this milk is also very dynamic? Dynamic matlab it changes according to the needs, according to the time. Next slide. Do you know that the milk that is produced by a mother's body in the morning and the milk that is produced by a mother's body in the evening is way different? Because morning milk has a lot of water, less fat, and it has happy cortisol. Why is cortisol required? Because it is time to wake up. So the baby has to be energetic. He has to be alert. He will play. And as the day ends, it's evening time, then the body produces milk that has a lot of melatonin. Now, melatonin helps in calming the baby, helps in digestion, and it is thicker. It has more fat. And अगर body melatonin वाला दूध दे रही है आपके बच्चे को, तो what happens? The baby sleeps. And the melatonin peaks around 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. in the morning. It starts at 9 p.m. in the evening. So morning milk, evening milk, there is a huge difference. Next slide, Sapna. So these are just pictures that I have picked up from the net. You can also do a search. Sometimes you will see, मतलब इतना dynamic है that if you eat a lot of green leafy vegetables, the milk can be green also. The milk can be, if the blue milk, if you see blue milk first thing in the morning, it's a lot of water. There is nothing to worry about. And if you keep store milk, morning milk and evening milk, and keep them together, you will see the difference in color and the fat in the milk. इतना डायनामिक है ये लिक्विड, हमारा गोल्डन लिक्विड बुलाते हैं हम इसको. नेक्स्ट अपना. And do you know that it is tailor made for male and female babies also? If it's a male baby, the body knows that milk is high in protein. And if it is a female baby, it is high in calcium. So the body is an amazing mechanism. It takes care of our digestion, our reproduction. Reproduction may be how it nourishes the baby and how the baby is born without much intervention. And then it produces milk for the baby. How it takes care of everything around us. So, what is the big deal about breast milk? I'm sure all of you, whoever is listening, uh, can make out that it is very easy. If given a choice between breast milk and formula milk, what would you prefer? Would anyone like to share? इतना ही सुनने के बाद, what do you think you will choose? Bhavya, what will you choose for your child?
Breast milk.
Breast milk, correct.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. That is the choice you have to make for your baby. And what will you choose, Anchal, Sushma ji, Anureet? So all these things have to be kept in mind. So just summarizing, it is nutrient rich. It has a lot of antibodies. It is designed to meet the baby's needs, the baby's growth needs. It is good for gut health. There are no preservatives. It is not contaminated, not touched by human hand. और क्या चाहिए हमको? I think this is the best food that we can give to a baby. Sapna, next slide. So what happens? उसमें आपका क्या फायदा है? One, let's just look at the mother. What happens to the mother? So when you breastfeed में क्या होता है? You put your baby to your breast and the baby suckles. So when the baby suckles, it impacts the uterus in the sense that there is involution of the uterus. Means pregnancy से पहले आपका uterus छोटा सा था, इतना सा, okay? Just very small size. So it grew to the size to adjust the baby within it. Now the baby has been delivered. It has to come back to its original size. So to come back to the original size, what happens? When you breastfeed a baby and the baby suckles at the breast, so gradually the uterus starts going back. So जो 40-day period होता है हमारा postpartum का, उसमें the uterus contracts and goes back to its original size. So breastfeeding assists in that. Also, when the baby has the foremilk and the hind milk. Now, hind milk has all the fat. So when the baby sucks that milk, you also experience weight loss. So all that fat that has deposited all over your body, it just goes away and it goes to your baby. It's like an FD that you make during those 9 months, and pass it on to your baby. It also reduces uterine bleeding. It prevents postpartum depression. And it also acts as a contraception. But the underlying factor is it acts as a contraception only if the baby is exclusively breastfed. आप एक भी feed दे रहे हैं तो then that factor is removed completely. So it has to be an exclusively breastfed baby. And there are also a reduced risk of osteoporosis, cancer. And when you breastfeed your baby, and you don't have postpartum depression, you're a happy mother. So what happens? It's a healthy body. And a healthy body also gives you that happy feeling of being a mother, you know. So it's happy, a very happy motherhood journey that you experience. Next slide, Sapna. So what happens? We have given all the gifts for the baby. You know, instead of buying gifts, let's give our baby this gift for life. Because this gift for life builds his immunity. There are lesser instances of asthma. He's not anemic, and also his intelligence levels are very high because breastfed babies are generally not obese. They are so active. They run around, they explore, they are very alert, they are physically strong. And when a mother puts the baby to the breast, they become emotionally secure because बच्चे को अपनी माँ मिल गई. सबसे ज्यादा हमें खुशी छोटे बच्चे को आपने, इफ यू हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड, व्हेन अ चाइल्ड इज hugs mother, so when the child is close to the mother, he is emotionally secure. Rest, Sapna, please forward it. And family को क्या होता है? There is a big financial impact. If you don't buy milk, if you have your own, you know, it's like anytime ATM machine होता है for to withdraw money. Now this is like ATM anytime milk. Wherever you are traveling, it's day, night. You don't have to wash bottles. You don't have to buy milk. You don't have to measure. You don't have to carry a bag. All you have to do is carry a shawl or a dupatta and you can feed your child anywhere, anytime, anywhere. So what happens? You don't have to buy milk. Savings. You don't have to take your baby to the doctor because of diarrhea and any other gut infection that happens, because if you give dusra milk, it is not digested by the baby or he has any health problems. It is also environment friendly. So what happens? If the baby is healthy, the parents are less stressed because they don't have to run to doctors every now and the parents are happy. And if the parents are happy, what happens? And if so many families are happy, so it's a happy society. So what we need to work on is really that breastfeeding has to happen. And we always encourage, always, it's also even the WHO standards that when a mother delivers a baby, the first thing that is to be done is that the baby has to be put on the breast of the mother. That is the first requirement. Even if the mother has a C-section, if the mother can't put the baby on the chest, then the father has to do that. That's skin to skin. Skin to skin means बच्चे को ऐसे ही उठाकर अपने चेस्ट पर रखना या पापा रख लें. So baby has to get that emotional support and he feels secure and safe. अब आप ये पूछेंगे कि कैसे होगा, कैसे होगा, हाउ इज इट इम्पैक्टेड, ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग कैसे इम्पैक्ट हो जाती है. सपना नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. सो इसका क्रेडिट तो मॉम्स को ही जाता है एंड डैड्स को भी जाता है बिकॉज डैड्स मेक मॉम्स हैप्पी एंड व्हेन मॉम इज हैप्पी मॉम कैन फीड द बेबी हैप्पीली. And if the baby is healthy and happy, mom is happy and papa is happy. So it's a good, happy family, and their body is stronger. Even the mother's body is stronger. Relationships are healthy. But what is important is what is it that hampers? बहुत सारे questions होते हैं कि ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग नहीं कर पाते तो क्यों नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो उसके लिए हम थोड़ा सा देखेंगे कि हमारा लेबर कैसे होता है. How we labor is how we breastfeed, how the baby will feed. Because if you have a stressful labor, you know, if the mother is stressed or the mother is tired, if there are too many interventions in the hospital, then what happens? Induction hota hai, you know, there is induction, there is some pain management activities that happen, IV fluids are given. So what happens is it impacts the baby's alertness and reflexes. So if the baby is not alert, तो उसका जो क्रॉलिंग रिफ्लेक्स है, उसका जो रूटिंग रिफ्लेक्स है, वो इम्पैक्ट हो जाता है. सो to have a good breastfeeding journey. The first breastfeed that you give to your child is very important. Your first connection with your child after birth is important. So make sure that you have your skin to skin in the golden hour. Golden hour is the first 1 hour after birth of the baby. So the baby is generally, just basically just wiped and put on the mother's chest, and it crawls to the mother's breast. That is called the first crawl, the breast crawl. And by the smell of the nipple, because baby has been in the amniotic fluid for 9 months, so the baby can smell the same fluid when it is put on the stomach of the mother. So it crawls towards the breast and he takes the first suckle. Now the first suckle क्या होता है? First उसमें आता है colostrum. Colostrum क्या होता है? It is sticky. Lot of people will tell you ये गंदा दूध है. It is sticky. It is yellow. Some people just throw it away. But in reality, that sticky and yellow milk is the auxiliary of life for your baby. It is high in vitamin A, it is high in vitamin K, and it is very good for gut health, and it helps the baby to pass the first stool. It protects the baby from jaundice. अगर हो भी जाता है jaundice, which happens to every other baby, which is normal. If you are breastfeeding your child, the jaundice should pass away very quickly. So there is a lot that I can talk about this, and exclusive breastfeeding to the child up till the age of 6 months, and up to 2 years if you can breastfeed your child. 6 months tak exclusive. At 6 months we start complementary foods, because complementary foods have to be started, and जो घर के खाने से वही होता है. It has to be started because the baby's nutritional needs they just grow. So the baby needs more of food. So तभी हम complementary food 6 months के बाद हम लोग add करते हैं. So children can start complementary food at 6 months of age. ठीक है? So you can give them pulses, vegetables, and whatever you eat at home, like rice, khichdi. With every age, the quantity and what you can give to the child differs. उसकी क्वांटिटी भी डिफर करती है कि 6 मंथ्स में आप कितना देंगे, कितने चम्मच देंगे. 1 साल का बच्चा और 6 महीने के बच्चे की डाइट सेम नहीं रहेगी. तो इस प्रकार से आप उसको वेरी करेंगे. बट एज आई सेड दैट दे हैव इट्स अ वेरी लार्ज टॉपिक. And when children are born, also I feel I must tell you this: when children are born, their stomach is really small. A lot of mothers feel that, oh my God, मेरा बच्चा भूखा है, he's hungry, I'm not producing enough milk. Remember, the baby's stomach is really small. It doesn't need 30 ml or 40 ml of milk when the baby is born. Just 3 to 4, 5 ml is more than enough. और उतना ही आपका breast produce कर रहा है. Your breast will produce as much milk that is required by the baby, subject to how many times you put your baby to the breast. So supply will be equal to demand, and demand will justify the supply. There is no wastage, nothing. Everything is consumed by the baby, and the body knows, okay, आज ये consumption है. Just like we run our homes and we say that, okay, this is the consumption of my family, I'll buy or cook only this much. The same is the case with your body. It doesn't need instructions. It can read your baby's signals through the nerve endings in the nipple. So there is a lot more. Baki, we can continue. If you have any questions, please, you can switch on your cameras, and Sapna, you can turn off the slides.
I have a question. First of all, thank you for the entire journey of how breast milk is important, and why it is important, and how it can be a savior for the entire life of the baby. I have just one question. Often we see that sometimes naturally mothers are not able to generate enough breast milk, right? And Can you touch upon that topic?
देखो, irrespective of the gender of the baby, irrespective of the size of the breast, दूध उतना ही आता है. So what is the key here? The key lies with the mother. If you go back, there was a slide जिसमें benefits to the mother के बाद वाली slide में एक last line थी self love. एक point था self love का. I don't know who observed it. So self love is all about being happy. If the mother is happy, if the mother is confident, and confidence building happens from the environment. You see a mother who has delivered a child, and if she's surrounded by people who say बच्चे को दूध नहीं, बच्चे का पेट नहीं भर रहा है, तुम्हारा दूध नहीं निकल रहा है, so what happens? The confidence of the mother is blocked. Once the mother feels कि अरे नहीं, मेरे में है ही नहीं, I am not capable, तब दूध नहीं आता है. There is a lot of love that comes into play here. Confidence is the key factor. Remember one thing. It is not possible that your body cannot produce milk for your baby. The body is ready. आप जितना बच्चे को चेस्ट से लगाएंगे, जितनी opportunities for suckling देंगे, उतना ही milk produce होगा. Because you see, there is a connection with the brain. We don't have any way of communicating with the brain. Who is communicating with the brain? Only two people. The mother herself, by giving positive this thing, oh, मेरा बहुत अच्छा दूध निकल रहा है. You know, my child is happy. So here self-love also comes in, instead of looking at inadequacies in yourself, no, I'm not doing a good job, I'm not a good mother. No, you are doing a good job. You are a very good mother. पहले तो सेल्फ लव करेंगे, अपने आप में कॉन्फिडेंस रखेंगे, irrespective of whatever anyone comes and says, and remove yourself from a scene where people give negative stories to you that, oh my God, this happened with me, this was my story when my son happened, my daughter could not feed, तो ये हुआ वो हुआ. No, your body is capable of producing and feeding the infant because it knows how to do this. The first person is the mother who can communicate. Second is the baby. बेबी कैसे कम्युनिकेट करेगा? बेबी कम्युनिकेट करेगा जब आप उसे चेस्ट पे लगाएंगे, तो signal to the brain, I want it, I am hungry. So if someone is telling me I am hungry, obviously I will make something. So the body is ready to work as long as you are confident and you don't listen to anybody around you who says your child is not well fed. Your child is the love of your life, and it is the environment, the psychology of the people around you. If the father is supporting the mother and gives positive inputs, it is absolutely possible that enough milk is produced. It is really in the hands of the mother and the environment.
Yeah, I am able to relate this. Why? Because when we work in natural farming, often we say that natural farming will not produce enough, right? And that is a belief which farmers even have. And there also we say that it is a connect with the field, it is a connect with the farm you have. And when you connect with that, it will be producing it in its own way, in the natural way. It's just the connect you have to make with the farm and
You have to sing to your plants.
Yes, you have to sing
You
to the
have to
plants.
give that message of love,
Yes.
and then your plants will produce.
Yes. So I think that is where even the she and the soil was coming up. That what is there in the soil is there in the reflection of she, because both are feminine, both are Prakriti and a part of Prakriti, right?
Yeah. Both represent, actually, Mother Nature is also a woman.
Yes, yes.
So that's a beautiful connection that you made. I think it was really nice.
Yeah.
And that's
For
it.
everyone, we will be having a physical session on 8th of March for She and the Soil celebration, where we will be celebrating it by planting, certain seeds, harvesting certain things, and also enjoying a meal which is being made at the farm itself and with the farm produce which we have in Gurgaon. It is very near to the Gurgaon Aravali Hills, and I would ask our speakers also be there if they can. and all the other people who are presenting or attending this session. It will be wonderful experience. It is at 10 a.m. 8th March. We'll celebrating the Women's Day over there with the entire team and a lot of different activities. There is a treasure hunt which we have decided, which we will be doing over there. So do please come. Yeah.
Great, great, great. If
I
anyone has a
have a
question,
question, Meena ji. While we were discussing breast milk, तो आपने बताया कि 2 years तक like exclusive जो breast feeding होती है वो 6 months तक करते हैं and then it can be extended to 2 years as well. But आजकल सुनने में मतलब ऐसा आता है and I've seen a lot of promotion as well of breast milk on Facebook. There is a community as well कि 5 years तक 6 years तक mothers milk पिला रहे हैं बच्चे को and they are promoting that thing. So उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा मैं
मिनिमम व्हाट वी आर सेइंग इज मिनिमम 2 साल तक तो पिला लीजिए.
but
But Mhm.
does the breast milk keeps on producing and how long it gets and what is the quality of that milk?
देखो till 6 to 12 months when you start complementary foods at 6 months क्या हो जाता है जो आपके ब्रेस्ट मिल्क के जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स है ना दे give the child just half of the nutritional requirement of the child. They are sufficient only for that. That is why complementary foods come in. And as the child grows, say 12 to 24 months, तो breast milk से 1/3 ही जा रहा है. So that is why it is called supplementing with complementary food. तो वो करना पड़ता है. And whereas milk production is concerned, तो grandmother भी lactate कर सकती है if you have the intention. It is possible. There are a lot of cases where when the mother cannot lactate, the grandmother does it. It is possible, very much possible. But first thing, the mother has to be confident. कुछ भी हो जाए, I am going to breastfeed my child. Start manifesting. Easy, you know. So you have to give that narrative to yourself.
Yeah,
There are a lot of stories. Yeah, Sapna, you want to add something?
okay.
जैसे लीना जी ने बोला, बट देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ पैरामीटर्स. जैसे कई मदर्स क्या करती हैं कि उनकी मदर्स उनको बोलती हैं कि यार दूध पिला रहे हो बट थोड़ा सा फॉर्मूला मिल्क भी पिला दो, है ना, बच्चा चबी हो जाएगा, बच्चा हेल्दी दिखेगा. बिकॉज आवर स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ हेल्दी बेबी ऑल्सो चेंज. सो द मोमेंट योर बॉडी स्टार्ट स्किपिंग मिल्क, है ना, उसको डिमांड एंड सप्लाई ये है. तो बच्चे ने सक किया तो बॉडी को समझ में आता है कि इतना खाना बनाना है ना. अगर बच्चा हमारे घर में खाना खा रहा है तो हम 2 रोटी बनाएंगे, अगर वो नहीं खाएगा तो हम एक ही रोटी बनाएंगे. तो वैसे ही अगर हमारा वो दूध नहीं पिएगा तो हमारा सप्लाई भी धीरे धीरे कम हो जाता है. एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट जो लीना जी ने बोला था कि रात के 2 बजे के आसपास का जो दूध होता है दैट इज वेरी रिच इन फैट. तो वो तो बिल्कुल पिलाना, चाहे नींद आ रही हो, सोते सोते पिलाना.
नहीं, कभी
बट
कभी
bond between the mom and the baby which is important, and that helps in the growth of the baby. तो जो चबीनेस है ना उसके बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स हैं, उन सबको वी टॉक एट लेंथ इन आवर सेशंस. लेकिन बेसिक चीज यही है कि रात के 2 बजे का डेफिनेटली पिलाना और दिन भर तो बिल्कुल पिलाना है.
सिर्फ
एंड
1 महीने 2 महीने की बात होती है बस. राइट सपना? एक
हाँ,
2 महीने का डिस्कम्फर्ट होता है. ऑल चिल्ड्रन ग्रो अप. ऑल चिल्ड्रन ग्रो अप, दे ऑल सेटल इनटू द सिकार्डियन रिदम. रात को सोएंगे, सुबह में जागेंगे, क्योंकि उनके पास राइट टाइम पे राइट फूड जा रहा है. सो व्हेन समवन सेज कि थोड़ा फॉर्मूला पिला दो, एक बोतल पिलाने में क्या है, रात को अच्छे से सो जाएगा, पेट भरा रहेगा. पर उसका पेट तो इतना सही है. एंड बिकॉज और फिर क्या होता है, दे ड्रिंक मिल्क, दे विल पास यूरिन, फिर पेट खाली हो गया, आप क्लीन करेंगे, फिर पेट खाली हो गया, फिर फीड करेंगे. इट इज टायरिंग, यस, बट इट विल ब्रिंग इन फ्रूट एट अ लेटर स्टेज. थोड़ा धैर्य रखिएगा, क्योंकि कोई चीज एक समान नहीं रहती है. सब बच्चे उठ के बैठ भी जाते हैं, जब एक बार बैठने लगते हैं तो बर्पिंग भी हो जाती है. सो इट इज अ फेज. सो लगे रहो और पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ.
And bottle has its own side effects as well. और इतने छोटे
बॉटल
बच्चे
के बारे में तो इट्स क्या बताएं. एक बार अगर इफ यू गिव द
Obsession.
बॉटल, नाउ दैट्स अनदर सब्जेक्ट ऑल टुगेदर. इट्स अ ट्रैप. because once the baby, बॉटल क्या चीज है? बॉटल आपके पास ये रही बॉटल, बॉटल की निप्पल इतनी सी है, उसने मुंह में डाली, बॉटल आपने टेढ़ी की, हल्का सा मुंह चलाया, दूध अंदर चला गया. नाउ व्हेन द ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग हैपेंस, the nipple has to go completely inside. It touches the palate of the baby, and the baby has to really work hard. jaws को बहुत काम करना पड़ता है. ठीक है? So that's a lot of hard work. Once the baby has a nipple, एक बार टेस्ट कर लेगा ना, he does not want to go back to the breast milk. So avoid that first time also. Why? मत डालो. थोड़ा सा हार्ड वर्क है, but it passes off. It's a passing phase. It will not be forever. You will not be mother dairy forever. It's a passing phase. And enjoy it. बिल्कुल enjoy करो that bonding, that experience of motherhood. It's part of it. So, Sapna, you want to say something? I can see Anurit is also here. She's also a lactation counselor in Amritsar. There was someone else also there. I think Anchal has left. I
So
saw.
nice seeing you.
Hi, how are you, Anurit?
I'm amazed. It was lovely seeing you here.
Yeah, a long time.
Yeah.
So if anyone has any questions about,
Ma'am, I have one question.
sure,
If there is if there is any premature birth, will the mechanism work like same, or is there a certain week to be passed to produce the milk?
बच्चा वूम से आया, उसको क्या चाहिए? उसको अपनी माँ चाहिए. निको में डाल देते हैं.
Okay.
What happens is, even if suppose the situation is such that the child is in the NICU, make sure that the mother goes to NICU and feeds the child. Mother's touch is very important. Babies feel secure and they are healthier if they are put closer to the mother, not in the झूला. झूले में नहीं, अपने पास, अपने मदर की खुशबू के साथ, उसके साथ स्नगल होके जब वो सोता है पास में. That is how a baby thrives. But if you are in a hospital environment and you have no choice, make sure that you go and feed your baby, or the baby is brought to you. अगर वो ऐसी situation है that they can bring the baby to you for feeding, make sure you feed your child.
Also, there is something known as kangaroo care, है ना? If we are
Yeah.
talking about difficult cases, जहाँ बच्चे को बहुत केयर चाहिए, तो उसमें kangaroo care recommend होता है. और मजे की बात यह है कि ये इसको डिस्कवर किया अफ्रीका में, जहाँ पे बहुत गरीबी है. दे डोंट हैव एनी निक्यू के फैसिलिटी नहीं होती है, तो क्या करते थे, माँ के पास रखते थे. एंड दे ऑब्जर्व कि दोज बेबीज विच वर क्लोज टू मदर्स, वो बहुत जल्दी रिकवर कर रहे हैं. देयर रिकवरी इज ऑलमोस्ट डबल, बहुत फास्ट रिकवरी हो रही है. तो दैट इज व्हेन दे डिस्कवर्ड समथिंग नोन एज कैंगरू केयर. एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी टॉक अबाउट स्किन टू स्किन केयर, कि जैसे ही बच्चा हो, पुट इट छाती से लगा लो. आफ्टर ऑल इट्स पार्ट ऑफ यू एंड इट इज योर राइट, है ना? कोई उसको नहीं ले जा सकता है. इट इज योर बेबी. कोई भी बहाने से ले जा रहे हैं उनको, कोई यही करो. whatever you want to do, do it here. Bring your equipment here. You can't take my baby there. So all this makes an impact. And एक बस just to give an impact कि what happens in breastfeeding. अगर हमारे ही झुग्गी झोपड़ी में आप जाके देखेंगे, तो 6 महीने तक का बेबी आपको चबी दिखेगा. चाहे माँ कितनी भी दुबली हो, कितनी भी इम्पॉवरिश्ड हो, मतलब दिखने में बिल्कुल ही दुबली पतली है, हेल्थ के पैरामीटर्स बहुत अच्छे नहीं है, और वो पता नहीं क्या खा रही है, बट जो बच्चा है वो, उसके पैरामीटर्स अच्छे होते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ ब्रेस्ट मिल्क, क्योंकि वो माँ प्रोसेस करके उसको अच्छा दूध देती है. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट गिविंग बाहर का खाना, उसके बाद बच्चे जो हैं वो अंडर नरिश्ड होने लगते हैं, बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव दैट फैसिलिटी, राइट? लेकिन दैट इज द पावर ऑफ ब्रेस्ट मिल्क. सो जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, बट यू कैन ऑब्जर्व अराउंड यू. गो अराउंड एंड चेक. 6 महीने से पहले के बच्चे, दे ऑल विल बी हेल्थी इफ दे आर ब्रेस्ट फेड. सो
And उनके cognitive skills, उनके जो रिस्पॉन्सेज हैं वो भी बहुत बढ़िया आते हैं, बहुत ही बढ़िया. एंड दे आर वेरी अलर्ट, very healthy, very active. We have a child who started walking, I think, before 12 months. He started walking. He was running around the house. पकड़ नहीं सकते हो आप, ब्रेस्ट फेड बच्चे को पकड़ नहीं सकते, इतना बढ़िया फुल ऑफ एनर्जी रहता है. So this is for breastfeeding, and I think it's 8:36. So if you have any questions, you can always ask Tripti ji from Thaina. She can share our number. We also work on activities during pregnancy. We have childbirth classes. We have breastfeeding classes. We are also supporters of lactation, and we have Lamaze, breathing, and mobility. Would you like to share, Sapna, what all we do, all the activities that we do?
So we can, one can sign up for anything for the entire 9 month journey. तो हम 9 महीने में बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट्स को हम कवर करते हैं, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम डाइट एंड लाइफस्टाइल. एंड उसके बाद हमारा, ऑफ कोर्स, वी हैव एन एक्सटेंसिव कोर्स फॉर गर्भ संस्कार, वी कॉल इट बॉन्डिंग. एंड वी डू लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज बॉन्डिंग के लिए. हम बहुत सारे, अभी वी लास्ट मंथ वी हैव जस्ट फिनिश डूइंग आर्ट एंड प्रेगनेंसी. एंड सो वी आर ऑल्सो प्लानिंग म्यूजिक एंड प्रेगनेंसी. तो ऐसे हमारे अलग अलग एरियाज को हम एक्सप्लोर करते हैं गर्भ संस्कार में. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स चाइल्ड बर्थ प्रिपरेशन, पोस्टपार्टम प्रिपरेशन, बेबी केयर, ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग, ऐसा बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स हमारे. एवरीथिंग जो भी आप सोच सकते हो ना फॉर द बेबी एंड द मदर, वी कवर ऑल दैट. सो कोई भी डाउट हो, यू कैन ऑलवेज साइन अप एंड आस्क अस. इवन समथिंग लाइक कि हमको डायपर नहीं लगाना है तो व्हाट टू डू, वी कैन डिस्कस. वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ ऑप्शंस फॉर दैट एज वेल. सो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, सो मेनी थिंग्स. बेबी वेयरिंग, कैसे स्लिंग करना. यू आर इन बैंगलोर, बैंगलोर में तो कई सारी कंपनीज हैं, दे नो हाउ टू स्लिंग द बेबी, दे मैन्युफैक्चर. तो ऐसा बहुत कुछ है एंड वी कीप शेयरिंग ऑल दिस. सो जिसको भी लगे कि ये रेलेवेंट है, प्लीज शेयर.
So till then, I would like to thank Leena ji and Sapna ji for this beautiful session. We are really happy to have you with us for this session. Sustainability हम सबका लक्ष्य है, और बहुत खुशी हुई आप लोगों को जानकर. और इतना प्यारा जो ये एम्बिशन है, ये जो विजन है लाइफ में आपने जो लिया है फॉर चाइल्ड बर्थ, एज अ चाइल्ड बर्थ एजुकेटर. एंड मतलब ये बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल विजन है, और वी आर रियली थैंकफुल टू यू टू हैव यू विद अस and to share your knowledge with us on this platform.
Thank you so much for inviting us.
Yes,
It's a
thank you.
pleasure. It was nice. And it came as a surprise, but nevertheless, we have enjoyed it too. I hope we'll meet each other again on other platforms also.
Yes, definitely. I thank everyone that they have been with us throughout the session. And I thank our speakers and our team, Amitesh and Gaurang, Sapna ji, Leena ji, and would like to say goodbye to all. And now we can leave. And thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.